Hello everybody, thanks so much for coming by. This week's video is the second part of how to use the device, the new lift and tone device that I have. And this is the radio frequency component of the device. Now this has got radio frequency as well as microcurrent. And there's so many different settings on it, and it's a way you can sort of play with the settings to make it work more beneficial for you. But with the radio frequency, as you can see, there's no prongs. So mainly with radio frequency devices, there's these prongs that you have to put it on your face, or there's these sort of like dot matrix type little pads that you have to put on your face. Now this is radio frequency, but it's heated, and it is just so easy to use and comfortable to use because there's no prongs, and it doesn't make all these sort of dots on your face when you're using it. So what you do with radio frequency is, what this does is it uses a different type of technology to help your skin. And basically it sends radio waves through your skin down to the cells, and it starts waking up the cells. Now this is in very simple terms. It starts producing all sorts of peptides for the cells, so the cells can be strong and healthy. And that's basically what radio frequency does. It's just a different form of technology that they're using to make it happen. So what we do with this is we turn it on. Here's a little on switch. You turn it on, press it, and the red light comes on. So what you can do here is what controls the intensity of it. So you can keep pressing it. So we're on number 3 because there were three beeps on it. So you press it again and it will start vibrating. Okay. So again, it's the same sort of process with the microcurrent device that is on this to this. So you can just move it up your face. And again, the schematic is in the description box below. Just move it up your face. Okay. And then when you get there, you can go around your nose and up and around your eye. And you do that 3 times. And then you go around the whole eye. And you can go right over the eyelid with this. It won't hurt it. Right? And then you end in the middle and you start moving up in sort of a pineapple shape. So you do that 3 times, okay? So then you start again on the other side and do exactly the same thing on the other side, okay? Okay, you see me doing it. And then you can go over your lip this time. And it's great. So if you just turn it off the vibrating, if you just turn the vibration off and just use the heat, the actual radiotherapy, it is amazing. The heat and the radio frequency together is such a wonderful calming on your face. It's very, very calming and very healing for your skin. Now, once you finish all of that, with the microcurrent component, you go to the acupressure points. But with this one, what you do is go to your danger points. So my danger points are around my mouth. So I often just sit there for a minute or so, and I'll go ahead and do a extra treatment around those pesky old wrinkles that are around my mouth. And you can do it in any way that suits you. There's no particular way. I have some wrinkles up here, so you can go ahead and do this up here for a little bit. And around the eyes, I tend to have wrinkles around my eyes. This is the way to use this device. And it's a really lovely device. Now, as I say with radiotherapy, there are so many different devices on the market, and most of them have prongs or dot matrix type pads on them. And the prongs can be quite uncomfortable, okay? And what I found the difference with this, because I've used the ones with the dot matrix, I've used the one with the prongs, and they're also quite heavy because they're really a strong technology, so they're actually quite heavy devices. This one here is so light to use, and it doesn't have the prongs on it. And you'll find that once you start using it, it is actually very calming to use it. If you're laying in bed at night, if you've got the telly, at night after your exercises, that you've done those, and then you start doing this, it's absolutely wonderful the way it works. It's magical. Now, the thing I do want to say to you is that you would only use this if you're doing facial exercises 3 times a week. So you would do, say, your exercises Monday to Friday, use this Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Okay? And also, the other thing is you use the serum with it. Now, this serum is an amazing serum. It is formulated for microcurrent devices. It's the best serum I've ever used. The thing about this is it's not that awful gel. I've got an awful gel one here that I picked up. Maybe it's in the bathroom. I saw it. I picked up for a device that I was trialing, and it had this gel in it. And it's almost like petroleum jelly. I mean, it was vile. And they're the type of things that you get to use with your microcurrent and radio frequency devices. But this has been formulated to have the same viscosity that you need for microcurrent conductivity, and it's got all of some amazing, beautiful, natural ingredients in it that conducts into your skin when you are doing the microcurrent or the radiotherapy. And this is one of the extra benefits of using the serum, the Renew Me serum, is because it absolutely does, 10 times more than it would. The treatment works 10 times more than it would than if you were using some petroleum jelly thing from China that they send with the device. So please do, it comes with it. This actually comes with this device anyway. So you get one of these with it for free when you buy the device. So you'll be very happy that you got that, because once you start using it, it's just my best seller, because there's so many people that use it and love it. It's delicious. And also the amazing thing about this too, if you get it on your lips, and it doesn't matter if it's on your lips, but if you taste it, it's sweet. It's a very sweet tasting. So it's natural. It's a natural product. So that comes with it as well. So guys, I really hope that's helped you today. I hope it's given you more of an understanding of how to use the device. And if you're thinking about finding a home use device, this really is just a real entry one that doesn't break the bank. It is a really good device. Here is the link, so have a look at that, and I hope it's something that you will want to purchase. All right, the other thing I want to talk to you about is my membership site for the gym. So here is the link to the membership site. I want you to copy that into your browser, and it will take you to facerobics.com.au, and that is where you will be able to join up to the site if you're thinking about doing it. It's a great place to be. It's got all the videos, everything's all in one spot. You don't have to be going around YouTube, because YouTube's sort of like a bit hard to coordinate it all. So you don't have to be running around YouTube to get all the exercises. It's all in one spot, and there's some beautiful people in that group that will absolutely support you, along with myself, in the group as you need help. So guys, I hope all of that's helped you, and you have a lovely day wherever you are in the world, and I'll see you next time. Bye.